Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back again to share a quick tip how to check your wheels to see if they're painted aluminum or if they're polished aluminum. I used to get asked by detail employees how to tell when they wanted to use the wheel acid if they were going to ruin the wheels or not. And so I came up with a quick trick, and maybe you've heard it, maybe you figured it out, maybe somebody else shared with you. This is how I do it. Let's check it out. Alright, so let's say there's a set of wheels I wanted to, and they're filthy. Let's say I wanted to hit them with some Aluma-Brite or some aluminum acid and then hit them with a pressure washer, but I wasn't sure if they're polished or painted. Well, on a clear coated wheel, you add your aluminum polish and give it a quick polish, and you'll get nothing. A little bit brown for some dirt, but on a clear coated wheel, yeah, it's just not gonna, nothing will happen. All right. Now we got another Toyota 4Runner. I'm just gonna slap a little. No, I didn't wash these either, but I'm gonna slap a little polish on there. Few seconds, it's gonna come back black. And now you know, can't use the Aluma-Brite on there. Can use it on the Sequoia. This wheel is it's just a cheap steel wheel I put some snow tires on, and this is actually removing the paint, but that's okay. Even when that happens, it's kind of a gray, kind of a light gray color, but normally on a painted wheel you'll get nothing. It'll just come back clean. Now on here we go move over to a polished aluminum wheel and do the same thing, just quickly. It's gonna be black. So there you go. If you do a quick polish and it pulls up black versus this gray, then you know you cannot use the Aluma-Brite or the aluminum acid. It gets absolutely black. It doesn't take long. It only takes a few seconds to test a wheel. Even if you're pulling some dirt off the other wheel like I did over there, you can still take a quick inspection and find out which. All right, you guys, there you go. There's your, how to tell if your wheels are polished aluminum or painted aluminum. Then you can be sure whether or not you're going to be safe using that wheel acid. All right, hit the like and subscribe if that helped you out. I'll catch you back here.